Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. If you're new to my video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out my YouTube others video. I share different discount coupons, the real customer experience that will help you, and all of my guideline will help you to make a right decision. Now, in today's video, I will show you this MIUI continuous feed the garbage disposal with sound reduction. Right now this food washer disposal will really going to help you, this system really going to help you and give you a good service or not, because if you get the money for the value, it will help you a lot. Now in today's video I will show you the real customer deal, because real customer will always open your eye. Now if you need 80% of discount, check out my YouTube video description link, it will help you a lot. But before you take any action, as you know, I will open your eye and let me show you their video first, because they share a good quality video that how you can install everything they share inside the video. You can also check out this video, because you need to know that how you can install. Also you can easily hire someone to install, it's really easy. They share everything what you need to do, so it will be quick and easy to assemble. You can see the sharing everything is step by step how you can install. And the system will work like this, you can see. So right now let me show you the real customer opinion. If you check out 1000 plus sold, 4.9 rating and 232 reviews, this is the time to see the real experience. 219 review, 8 people give 4 star and 2 people only give 1 star. Now let me show you the real people real opinion. This persons you can see give a 5 star and share the details that using the product. You can see like this way this person's also use in home. You can see overall the quality looking great, looking solid, color heavy. You can see installing simple, the quality is good. You can see after unboxing everything you will get inside. Click view mode to see more review. Another person also give 5 star, everything get inside. After unboxing, sharing everything, click view more. Another 5 star rating. Let me show you more deep reviews. Here you can see, so most of the people are satisfied. You can see, you can, if you want, you can also check out the 1 star. Click view review, click the 1 star. In here, click the 1 star. Two people give 1 star. If you read this, you will also get experience that the problem, but most of the people are happy, satisfied. You can see they are sharing confidently, give 5 star, and overall they have 4.9 rating, which is really good to go. And if you need discount, 80% off, which is really great to go. The brand is great, they have lots of followers, and day by day they are growing with their different product, service, and solution. So thanks for watching. I share everything. Now you can make a right decision, you should continue buy this or not. But thanks for watching. Always remember to check out real customer opinion, because they know the real experience, which will help you a lot. Make sure you also check out my YouTube others video. Subscribe, write viewers in the comments, share your opinion. See you in another new video.